The West Virginia Division of Natural Resources drone program is our aerial drone program. We use the drones for disaster relief and recovery and law enforcement applications.
Some of the technologies, or the main technology used with the drones that we have, is the thermal capabilities. It just makes things much quicker. We can expedite things. We can really get somebody on scene, get the drone in the air, and have it searching now.
So the drone operator team currently has 18 pilots. We currently have 12 drones that are issued throughout the state with thermal capabilities. To be a drone operator for the DNR, we are all Part 107 certified, and we have our licenses through the FAA. In a search and rescue situation, time is of the essence. So the faster that we can locate somebody, the better the outcome may be.
There were 2 lost hikers in the National Forest in Tucker County. One of our drones was first to get into the area. We didn't have to wait for a ground crew to respond and go in and bring them out. They just followed the drone out. People don't usually expect the West Virginia DNR to have a drone program.
Calling for a helicopter is hours away when a drone can be minutes away.
Helping a family, helping somebody in need. If I were to go out and use my drone to help find somebody and save them, I think that'd be the biggest thing for me.